Today I'm going to make an Osso Buco with Wagyu beef Shanks. I'm going to reverse sear these beautiful beef Shanks on the Kamado Joe today. I'm firing up the Fogo premium charcoal and set the grill to smoking around 225 degrees. The meat on these beef Shanks is tough but incredibly flavorful, so I'm going to go light on the seasoning and just add salt and pepper. The key today is to cook these low and slow until the meat falls right off the bone. While the Shanks bask in the charcoal smoke, I'm preparing the mirepoix for the braise. 2 parts of onion, 1 part of carrot, 1 part of celery. I'm planning to cook the meat in a 3-step process today. The beef Shanks smoke for about 2 hours. And then I sear them to get a bit of caramelization and crust for the extra flavor. Then braise them for another 2 hours until they fall apart. I'm going to use a cast iron wok for the braising. First, sear the vegetables with a bit of high temperature oil like avocado oil. And salt and pepper to taste. I'm adding a whole can of San Marzano tomatoes. The fat drippings that I caught earlier while smoking, and a glass of red wine. Just look at that, absolutely incredible. It might not look like much, but the smells, the flavor is out of this world. Keep braising until the meat is full of the bone and tender. What would go perfectly with our decadent and rich Wagyu beef Shank Osso Buco? Mashed potatoes. So let's do it. Alright guys, our Wagyu beef Shanks are finally done, and man, it looks incredible. It's so rich on a bed of mashed potatoes. Wagyu beef Shanks with that vegetable, what did you call it? Like the French word for the vegetable mix?
Mirepoix.
Yeah, I mean, absolutely incredible. So if you dig in, basically I covered this with the sauce and the vegetables, but if you dig in, you get a little bit of that mashed potato with the carrots and the onions and everything. Go for it. I mean, I really want to get your opinion on this. What do you think? Oh man, it's like comfort food. Look at this, man. The beef Shanks. I mean, look, we cooked it to perfection. Came clean off the bone. I mean, I could barely serve it on this cast iron pan. Look what you have inside. You have like a little bit of bone marrow. I think we can just kind of scoop it out. And this is gonna be really rich. So, I mean, this is just incredible. Basically, take a bite of this. Have you had bone marrow before?
First time.
Yeah, first time. I mean, this, well, let's try it out. But this is like incredibly rich. It's sort of just crazy.
It dissolves in your mouth.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's like a gelatiny pate kind of feeling.
Yeah. But it's nice. It's nice. It's good.
I think like spread like in a very toasted bread.
Yeah.
With a little bit of butter.
Yeah, people do that.
It would be really nice.
I think what happens here maybe is it kind of just dissolved. You know, we've been cooking this for hours now, and it just sort of dissolved into this absolutely incredible dish. I mean, look at this. What an extremely rich and decadent meal. And you know, it's so easy to make. You know, you just smoke it for a couple of hours, braise it, you know, a little bit longer, and in the end, it's time. You know, it's a time investment you make in this, but you get an incredibly rich, tasty, decadent meal. And you know, what I always say is, I want you to try it at home, you know, but make it your own. You know, what I always say is, whatever floats your boat, you know, make the recipe your own. You know, don't try to do it, you know, one for one what I do. But I mean, yes, absolutely incredible. You know, and if you liked what you saw today, you know, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, hit the like button, share with your friends, and leave us a comment. And see you again next week. Thank you so much. All right, guys, it's time to pick our winner. We have our Fogo pack here. Basically, a bag of Fogo Super Premium, a bag of the Premium, our fire starters, shirt, hat, and a bunch of stickers. In last week's video, we finally had our 100th episodes. Again, thank you guys so much for watching. And I said that 5 of you are going to win each one of these packs. So let's draw the winner, guys. Let's do it. All right, guys. So here we have our video. I'm just going to copy the link. And this website I found. It's basically a random comment picker. All you do is pretty much just put your website, your video link in here. Filter for duplicate users. Okay, perfect. We have 127 comments, so that's pretty awesome. So let's start to pick a winner. Let's go. And the first lucky winner is Eric Devlin. Congratulations. And he said, have you tried adding chipotle or Aleppo to the cinnamon sugar mix? I have not, but it's a great idea. It's definitely something I would love to try. Eric Devlin, perfect. Our second winner is Suspension. Joshua Pay. Sorry if I didn't pronounce your name right, but congratulations. You have won a Fogo pack. 1 million will come quicker than you think. Keep on grinding. Yes, sir. That's what we're going to do. Let's pick another winner. And here we go. Stephen C. Congratulations. You have won a Fogo pack as well. Dang, this looks freaking amazing. You killed it with this one. Thanks, Steven. Hope you watch the next video. Let's pick one more winner. 2 more to go. And the fourth winner is Brandon Roy. Congratulations. Brandon Roy. He said, M-Grills and Fogo, the perfect pair. I love M-Grills and Fogo, and I can't think of a better combinations. Thank you, Brandon. Really appreciate it. Yeah, I love my M-Grills as well. I hope one day in the future I could be a lucky owner of an M1 or M36. Hopefully one day. All right, and our final winner is Bradley Abernathy. Congratulations. You've also won a Fogo fan pack. I'm gonna reach out to you guys individually and get your contact details so we can get this mailed out to you guys. Bradley's comment was, just had picanha 2 weeks ago for the first time. Definitely cooking the pineapple and peppers that you've shown while working on my grill skills. Thank you so much, Bradley. Thank you guys so much. Yeah, I will reach out to you individually, get your details, and get this shipped next week. Thank you guys so much, and hope to see you again next week. Bye.